Video 343, check it out! We can rotate. However, there's a problem. It all merges together. Now, this might not look like a problem, but it is a problem. I think the only reason this doesn't look crappy right here is because of the low resolution of the graphics. So we're going to fix that problem in another video. Let's look at what we've done so far, though. So in shader 7 in the main function, in this discrete internal rotated section, we have assigned discrete internal rotated to discrete internal mirrored right here. And then, depending on which rotation code we're in, we're going to rotate the internals of the graphic in the opposite direction as the touching value. So here we are rotating 0 degrees clockwise, so we're going to rotate this 0 degrees counterclockwise, which is kind of nonsensical because it's just an assignment to itself. But let's get into the more complicated stuff. So if rotation code is 1, then we're rotating by 90 degrees clockwise, the touching value right here. And therefore, we need to rotate the internal graphics of the tile counterclockwise by 90 degrees. Here's the formula, and here's where we're doing it. So same thing here. So this is for 180, 180 clockwise, 180 counterclockwise, 270 clockwise, 270 counterclockwise. And then we need to use the rotated coordinate here in this section, and we're using it right here. And then we're also using the rotated coordinate in this 4x4 graphics tint section right here. And that's all we're doing. So here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video and what we want to do next probably. So if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You have been here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video 343. Like, subscribe, send money.